Why I regret moving into my first apartment. 6 hard truths you must know. Moving into your first apartment is often depicted as a thrilling milestone, a clear signal of independence and maturity. However, the reality can be more complicated than the idealized version we dream about. Here are 6 hard truths that can expose the less glamorous side of living alone and may resonate with anyone navigating this significant life transition. 1. The financial burden is real. One of the most striking realities of moving into your first apartment is the financial burden that comes with it. Many young adults underestimate the total cost of living independently. Rent is just the beginning. You'll also need to account for utilities, internet, groceries, and possibly renter's insurance. You might think, I'll just budget carefully, but unexpected expenses can arise. Broken appliances, emergency repairs, or even just the high cost of living in a city. The excitement of having your own space can quickly turn into anxiety over mounting bills. It's crucial to create a realistic budget that includes not just fixed costs but also variable expenses. Consider exploring ways to reduce costs, such as sharing utilities with a roommate or choosing a less expensive neighborhood. Financial literacy becomes essential, and learning to manage your money effectively is a skill that can take time to develop. 2. Loneliness can set in. While the prospect of living alone can feel liberating, it can also lead to feelings of isolation. The freedom from roommates or family can be exhilarating, but without those built-in connections, loneliness can creep in. At first, the quiet may seem peaceful, but over time, the absence of social interaction can weigh heavily on your mental health. It's essential to actively seek connections in your new environment. This might mean reaching out to friends, joining community groups, or participating in local events. Don't hesitate to invite friends over or explore your neighborhood. Building a social network can enhance your living experience and mitigate feelings of loneliness. Consider regular check-ins with family and friends or even online meetups to maintain those crucial connections. 3. Maintenance nightmares. In an ideal world, everything in your apartment would function perfectly. Unfortunately, reality often tells a different story. You might face unexpected maintenance issues. Plumbing problems, heating failures, or malfunctioning appliances. These situations can be incredibly frustrating, especially if your landlord is slow to respond or if you're unsure how to deal with the issues yourself. Navigating maintenance requests can become a significant part of your life. It's wise to familiarize yourself with basic home maintenance. Learning how to fix minor issues or knowing when to call a professional can save you time and stress. Moreover, understanding your rights as a tenant regarding maintenance can empower you to advocate for yourself effectively. 4. Limited space can feel confining. The excitement of having your own space often comes with the reality of limited square footage. Many first apartments are small, which can feel cozy at first but quickly become confining. Clutter can build up rapidly and finding a place for everything can be a daily struggle. The challenge of living in a small space can lead to stress and dissatisfaction. It's essential to be strategic about how you use your space. Consider investing in multifunctional furniture, such as a sofa bed or storage ottoman, to maximize your area. Regularly decluttering can also help maintain a sense of order and make your space feel more comfortable. Create a system for organizing your belongings, and don't hesitate to part with items that no longer serve you. 5. The pressure to adult is overwhelming. Suddenly, you are thrust into a world where you are responsible for everything, from paying bills and grocery shopping to cleaning and maintaining your apartment. The pressure to manage these tasks can feel daunting, especially if you're still figuring out how to balance work and life. It's normal to feel overwhelmed by these new responsibilities. Many young adults find themselves yearning for the simpler days of living with family or roommates, where some of these chores were shared or handled by others. Establishing a routine can help alleviate some of this pressure. Designate specific days for chores, set reminders for bill payments, and create shopping lists to streamline your errands. Developing a system that works for you can make adulting feel more manageable. 6. Regret over choosing the wrong place. Choosing your first apartment can be a significant decision, but it's easy to rush into a lease without fully considering all factors. The excitement of having your own space can cloud your judgment, leading to regret later on. You may find yourself in a neighborhood that doesn't meet your needs, whether due to safety concerns, lack of amenities, or distance from work or social activities. It's crucial to research neighborhoods thoroughly and visit potential apartments multiple times at different times of the day. Consider what matters most to you in a living situation: proximity to work, access to public transportation, or a vibrant social scene. Make a checklist to evaluate potential apartments based on your priorities. If you find yourself in a less than ideal situation, remember that it's not the end of the world. You can always plan your next move. Conclusion: while moving into your first apartment can be a significant milestone and an exciting step toward independence, it's essential to acknowledge the hard truths that accompany this transition. By understanding the financial burdens, the potential for loneliness, maintenance issues, space limitations, adulting pressures, and the risk of making hasty decisions, you can better prepare yourself for the realities of living alone. Embrace this learning experience as it's an integral part of growing up. Each challenge you face can provide valuable lessons. Whether it's managing finances, building a social network, or maintaining your living space, these skills will serve you well in the future. Remember, every misstep is an opportunity for growth, and navigating the complexities of adult life is a journey worth taking. Moving into your first apartment is a significant milestone that symbolizes independence and adulthood. However, it often comes with unexpected challenges that can lead to regret. Financial burdens, feelings of loneliness, maintenance issues, limited space, and the pressures of adult responsibilities can make this transition overwhelming. Acknowledging these hard truths is essential for navigating this new chapter. By preparing for financial responsibilities, actively seeking social connections, and learning basic maintenance skills, you can mitigate some of the challenges. Additionally, taking your time to choose the right apartment in a suitable neighborhood can prevent future regret. Remember that each obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the learning experience that comes with living independently, as these lessons will serve you well in the long run. With each challenge you face, you'll build resilience and gain valuable life skills. Ultimately, while the journey may be difficult, it is also rewarding, shaping you into a more capable and self-sufficient individual.